Hello, everyone. Welcome back to TARTLE University for the second module on the what. What is TARTLE? What is TARTLE University? What are these things? Why is the what important? I guess you want to ask. You are here with Professor Rigby and Professor McCaig.
Yes.
Thank you very much, everybody. Welcome to the free educational course that empowers humanity and also allows people to get paid for learning.
Yes.
Wrap your head around that. Interesting. Okay, Jason, what is data? What a great question.
What is data? Data is everything.
It's everything.
Your body is data.
Every time you have a heartbeat, it creates data, right?
Yes.
Data is essentially the record, the great record of who you are in humanity. And it's only called data because it's put into a digital medium. If it's in a book, it's information. Mm-hmm. If you put it online, it's data. If it's stored on a server, it's data. It's a digital medium. So everything we do nowadays is online. So what is data? Data is this great record of every action that human beings have taken here on this globe and recorded it digitally for all to see and hear.
I love that.
Cool deal. So Jason, what's a data packet then?
A TARTLE data packet is a collection of information that has a value assigned to it that the buyer in the marketplace decides.
Oh, interesting. So there's this thing, this pack of information, which has a dollar value on it, which you can trade
Yes.
to people who want to access it, and I get paid for the sharing of that information.
Yes. It's a private packet. I think that's important.
Only you can see on the inside.
Yes. And my free will, I get to choose whether I want to sell it or not.
Oh, that's really interesting. And so when you have multiple of these packets, do they fall under a specific thing? What are they called? Data what? Data categories?
Data, yes.
Oh, interesting. So I can have a whole breadth of these things that I rightfully own, totally private to me, with an assigned dollar value when I can share it. And those all reside under data categories. And there can be an infinite amount of these.
Oh, yeah. There's sports, there's spiritualism, there's so many different
background and research and government and all that other
all
cool
of that.
stuff.
Yes, it's fun.
Love that. So I'll answer this one. Here's an obvious question. Like, what's an API? What is that? So anything you use on the internet, right, is recording information. APIs are these accessible programming interfaces. What does that mean for you as a person? If I'm using Facebook, Facebook has an API that allows you to grab your data and pull it into TARTLE. It's an interface. It allows two things to interface, interlink, interact with one another. These APIs drive systems. These APIs allow you to sign into all these other third-party systems and take ownership of that data on TARTLE. You following? Great. And so here's the best part. The second you pull that into TARTLE through the API, you encrypt it. You make it extremely secure, private. Only you are the person with the keys.
I love that.
Nobody else can get into that vault but you.
Yes.
So when you ask, what is encryption? Right? Well, what is encryption? That takes all the information that you have and essentially scrambles it up. And the only person that knows how to unscramble it is you with your key.
Yes.
And if somebody wants to buy that information, you unscramble it for them and then give it to them. And then immediately re-secure it for yourself inside your data packet. You following?
Yes, I love that.
I'm having a blast here. So then, Jason, I'll toss you up a softball.
Uh-oh, here we go.
What's TARTLE?
What is TARTLE?
What is it?
It's a data marketplace. It's very, very simple.
It's a
easy. Data marketplace.
What's a marketplace then?
A marketplace is where you take goods and services, whatever they may be. It could be an apple.
Ooh, or an orange.
Or an orange. Yeah, you take that orange.
Yeah.
You take it to a place where everybody knows that they can buy and sell things.
Yeah.
And you rent a booth or whatever it may be, and you put your oranges out, and people walk by, and they purchase that orange from you.
That looks good.
There's a seller and a buyer.
Oh, and they make a market price, right?
Yes.
So can I ask you something? What devices can access TARTLE? Devices, technological devices.
Well, you mentioned APIs.
Oh yeah, great. Cell phones.
Yes. Yeah.
Tablets.
Yeah. Everything.
Computers?
Yeah. Computers, desktop.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay. And so, what type of human being using that device is allowed to access TARTLE?
Anyone that has an internet connection.
Boom, right on the money.
You don't even need to own a computer. You can go to an internet cafe.
Go rent one. Actually pay for your rental the time of the computer with sharing data packets.
Yes, yeah.
Well, that's a really cool thought now that I think about it. So what countries can access TARTLE?
All of them.
Wow. And how many distinct geographies are we in right now? What, 248?
Right.
Really cool.
I mean, think about that.
Yeah, and I'm going to toss you up one right now. What's a free market?
A free market is no government interference.
Okay, Adam Smith, relax. Keep it up.
No external interference that is centralizing, controlling it.
Oh, so you're saying it's self-regulated by the parties that come in to join the market?
Yes.
Very interesting. And what does self-regulation require? Self-responsibility.
Yes.
Very cool. Wonderful. I guess that determines what that market price is made at, correct? So then let me ask you, Jason, Professor Rigby, what is self-responsibility?
Self-responsibility is, I'm going to say it in the simplest of way.
Please.
And this is for each of you to decide this on your own, but doing the right thing. And what's right to you, you know deep down.
Yes. And you are in control of deciding what that right is.
Yes, that's self-responsibility.
No one else.
Yes.
And you are responsible for taking action upon it. No government, no person, no family member. It is all you.
Yes.
Because it's your choice. Your choice to sign up on Tartle. Your choice to share. Your choice to give things away. Your choice to be abused. You need to take the time and the self-responsibility to do it for you.